Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Diwali. Let's get into the video and see what is there. Without taking much of your time, let's get started. Before we start with Diwali decoration, cleaning up the entire home is an inevitable task. So it's always better to clean the home well in advance so that we will have enough time for other preparations. And that too, deep cleaning of those areas that are often ignored or less taken care of. Here for you all is the hack for cleaning the ceiling fans, as this is the toughest of all cleanings. So to clean the blades of the ceiling fan, take an old pillowcase, put it onto the blade like how we put it on the pillow. See the way how I am putting it. And wipe the blade as you remove the case. This way, all the dirt and grime gets collected in the pillowcase instead of falling right onto our face. Now we can just spray some cleaner and clean to get that sparkle and shine on the fan. Isn't it so easy? Believe me, this is really easy. Try and let me know. Diwali is all about buying the evergreen and traditional earthen diyas. These diyas are so beautiful. Undoubtedly, they add a splendid festive touch to the decoration. There is a wholesale market in Kumbarwada in Mundwa, Pune. They have really large varieties of diyas and some earthen decorative items, pots. Believe me, this time I really got very good collection of all this, but still I couldn't get enough of them as they were all very beautiful and so elegant. So finally I got all of this. I'll be painting them as well. Let me tell you, I really feel the festive vibe with all this beautiful earthen decor. When I paint and decorate, it will be too awesome. Let me tell you one thing, earthen pots in home decor. Keeping earthen pots in your home creates a positive atmosphere and it creates a great energy around the home. I just customize them by painting with golden and copper acrylic paints. Once the paint gets dried up, I'll show you all how I recreate it. It just took 1 hour to finish all the painting work. I did this after finishing all my home chores and before going to bed. It's an absolute pleasure in doing an activity like this before sleep. Here I am going to share some ideas to recreate a flower vase using marigold flowers. I have taken some barbecue sticks. You will get it in any stationery shops. We have to take a flower and insert the flower in the spiky corner of the stick. If your vase is smaller in size, you can just cut the sticks as per the required size you want. Here I am going to use toothpicks for a smaller vase. This is the another way of keeping the flowers by tying the sticks together so that the flowers stay intact in a smaller vase. These marigold flower vases in festivals will look gorgeous, and also it will give that festive spark to your homes. To bring the festive vibe, let's revamp some boring corners with the use of these earthen pots, some flowers, and some candles. Hope you are able to make out how I am doing it. We just have to tie the corners of the garland and make a small knot and insert it inside the pot. Do you know the reason behind using marigold flowers during all the festival decorations? Because these flowers are considered to be a symbol of peace, prosperity, and the color yellow and orange reflects the auspicious items like the sindoor and haldi. The golden pots that I have painted are being used here in this corner. This is my way of decorating with flowers. You can customize according to your taste, but always choose bright colors and go for minimal color combinations. Too many colors will spoil the decor. As I already said, these are the on the spot ideas. So I just follow trial and error method. If it looks good, then fine. Otherwise, I just keep redoing it as I am also learning by experience. This is just another corner near our breakfast counter. I wanted to give a festive vibe to this corner as well. Adding some artificial leaves and flowers to match the decor for green area. Here I just don't want to add too many colors, so I am decorating this planter with a plain yellow marigold flower garland and matching candle holders also I'll be placing. Let me tell you something. The number 3 rule in decoration. It means the objects look better in a group of 3. To follow this rule is to display a matching set of decor with 3 different sizes. This enhances the beauty of that particular corner of the home. Like this, we can make so many corners in the home during any festival. We can even add some more candles, a rangoli and a string light to get more festive vibe. This is just an idea to create positive corners in your home. You can refer all my Navaratri videos for the different color concepts and decor. Hope this video will definitely inspire you all to dazzle up your homes during this Diwali flawlessly. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the channel, if you like the content, please support by subscribing, comment and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. May you all have a lovely and blessed Diwali. Meet you all again with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.